These are 15 bean seeds. Can you do something, please? Ask mommy or daddy or your aunties or uncles, anyone around, to give you some bean seeds from the kitchen. And get a tray. I want us to do something together. You can pause the lesson and I'll give you a few seconds. Welcome back. Now, count 15 bean seeds and put it in the tray. Are you done? Keep counting. Okay, that's enough time to count. Now that you have 15 bean seeds just like me in your tray, can you see that some of those bean seeds are bad? Maybe looking rough or so hard, just very bad. Pick them out and put it separately. Now that you have taken some bean seeds out, how many bean seeds do you have left? Okay, I don't know how many you got, but let's see how many good bean seeds I have in my own tray. There are 4 bad. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bad bean seeds. So out of my, I have 15 bean seeds. I'm taking away the 4 bad ones. How many bean seeds will I have left? Let's count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 good bean seeds left in my tray. So you see, subtraction means taking away. Now that we have counted with our bean seeds, get your counting sheet and let's do some counting ourselves. Always count in a separate counting sheet so that your notebook doesn't look rough. What's the first thing we do? We count the first number, which is 17. That's what we are taking another number away from. So we count the first number, which is 17. 1. Always leave spaces between your circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have 17 circles. How many are we taking away? Because minus means take away. We are taking away 9. So let's take away 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do we have left? We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 circles left. So 17 minus 9 gives us 8. 12 minus 4. We count 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I hope you are counting too. We'll take away what? 4. Let's take away 4 balls. Circles, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 again. So we have 12 minus 4 equals 8.